Hello my friends, waiting for your Emirates ID. In this quick guide I'll show you exactly how to track your Emirates ID status online in less than 2 minutes. So you need to firstly open your PC or phone, and of course you need to go to the same website I'm on right now, which is icp.gov.ae. On the homepage, scroll down and look for the check application status box. You can also find it under the quick links section. Now enter your application number or PRAN number from your Emirates ID application receipt in this field right over here. It's usually a 10-digit number starting with 784 or 201. After that, your Emirates ID status will now appear, such as application received, under printing, card issued, or ready for pickup. And that's how easy it is to track your Emirates ID status online. If this helped, give the video a like and a share, and of course subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-tos and updates. See you in the next one.